subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Vivo sub-brand Iqoo has officially launched the successor of Iqoo Z3 smartphone in China called Iqoo Z5. Talking about the specifications, the Iqoo Z5 features a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus display with up to 120Hz refresh rate, and it supports HDR10. And at the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 778G chipset, paired with Adreno 642L GPU, and it packs with 8 or 12GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 128 or 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage. In terms of camera, the Iqoo Z5 supports a triple camera setup on the rear that includes a 64MP main camera with f1.79 aperture plus 8MP ultra wide angle lens with 120° field of view and a 2MP macro lens with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 60 frames per second. At the front, it has an 16MP selfie camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.45 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery that supports 44W fast charging, and it runs on Android 11 with Origin OS skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it also comes with VC liquid cooling system that helps to reduce the phone temperature in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.7 by 76.68 by 8.5mm, and it weighs around 195 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Iqoo Z5 has been priced in China for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 1,899 Chinese yuan, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage model is priced at 2,099 Chinese yuan, and the higher variant with 12GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 2,299 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now up for pre-orders in the country in Blue Origin, Dream Space, and Twilight Morning color options, and it is set to go on sale starting from September 28th. So what do you guys think of this Iqoo Z5 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys now next video.